Hi guys, how to download music from YouTube Audio Library. Now, open YouTube, click on your profile picture in the top right corner, and select YouTube Studio from the drop-down menu. This is your Creator Command Center, not the regular YouTube homepage. Look at the left side menu inside YouTube Studio, scroll down and click on Audio Library to access the free tracks. Here's a pro tip. These songs are 100% copyright free, so you'll never get a strike for using them. Browse the list of available songs, genres, or moods, and click the play button on the left side of a track to preview the music. Don't download anything before listening, or you'll end up with a track that doesn't fit your video. Once you find a track you like, hover over it and click the download button located on the far right side of that track row. This is the moment of no return, so make sure you've picked the right one. Check your computer's default downloads folder to locate the saved MP3 file, which is now ready to use in your video editing software.